Ladies and gentlemen, this is lesson 54, top of the page on page 288. This is example 1. We already did one example when I introduced this lesson, but again, all we're gonna do is this is just gonna allow us to reduce fractions a little bit easier. It's just another method that we can use, okay? And what they did is they took a fraction and they split it into what's called its factors. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you what this fraction is. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. So they actually took 40 over 60 and they split it into its factors, right? That's how they got this right here. Okay. Now what we can do if we split a fraction into its factors, we can group factors that are equal to 1. Well, what do I mean? If we have 2 over 2, that equals 1, so we can actually just cross that out. If we have 2 over 2, that equals 1, we can cross that out. And then now we have a simplified version of 2 over 3 times 5 over 5. Well, wait a minute. Isn't 5 over 5 also equal to 1? So we can cross that out. So what are we left with? Our final answer is 2 over 3. So we just reduced that fraction really easy by splitting it into its factors and then crossing out anything that equals 1. 2 over 2 equaled 1. 2 over 2 equaled 1, and 5 over 5 equaled 1, and all we were left with was 2 over 3. And so that is the reduced fraction. If we took 40 over 60, that would actually reduce to 2 over 3. It's just another method to reducing fractions by splitting them into their factors and then eliminating factors that equal to 1.